This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Active Directory. First, ensure your server runs a compatible Windows Server operating system and has a static IP address configured. This foundational step is critical for network stability. Next, plan your domain structure carefully, considering your organization's size and future growth. A well-designed structure simplifies management and enhances security across your network infrastructure. Once your prerequisites are met, open Server Manager and add the Active Directory Domain Services role. After the role is installed, you'll need to promote the server to a domain controller. During this process, you'll decide whether to create a new forest, add a new domain to an existing forest, or add a domain controller to an existing domain. Follow the wizard carefully, setting your domain name and functional levels. After installation, the real work begins with configuration. Start by creating organizational units, or OU, to logically organize your users, groups, and computers. This structure is vital for efficient management and applying specific policies. Use the Active Directory Users and Computers console to create and manage these objects. Then, leverage group policy objects to enforce security settings, deploy software, and manage user environments across your domain. Finally, verify your Active Directory installation using tools like dcdiag and by checking DNS resolution. Ensure all services are running correctly. For best practices, always implement regular backups of your domain controllers and store them securely. Maintain strong physical security for these critical servers. Also, for an amazing reading experience, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Regularly review security logs and keep your systems patched to protect your network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.